If you want to sound more fluent in English today, right now, then there's a simple trick that works every time. One of my intermediate students spoke very slowly and very carefully. She was good. She had good vocabulary, she had good grammar. She was terrified of making a mistake, so she went slowly. And because she went slowly, she always sounded like a beginner. Now one day she tried something different. She repeated an English sentence that she'd heard from a video. She repeated it out loud and without worrying about making a mistake. She just repeated what she'd heard with the same rhythm, and her fluency changed instantly. When I showed her what she'd done, she couldn't believe it. Fluency doesn't come from grammar. It doesn't come from how much you know about English. Fluency comes from rhythm. Now, if you can copy the rhythm of a natural English speaker, your speaking becomes smooth immediately. I just want to ask you, if you're enjoying these lessons, please subscribe and like the video. I created this channel to make English enjoyable, simple, and stress-free. I'm here is to show you that it can be enjoyable and it can be achievable. Anyway, let's get back to it. Let me explain the concept of shadowing. So you listen, you pause, you repeat, and then you copy the rhythm. Now, this isn't scientific, it's not difficult. All you have to do is follow the rhythm of how I say things. So here are 3 phrases. Here we go. I don't know. Wait a second. Now, very different intonation on my words. So listen again. Here we go. I don't know. Wait a second. A non-English speaker would say, I would have liked to go. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. But if you want to sound like an English speaker, we would say, I would have liked to go. We take away these 2 letters here, just so that it goes faster, because we talk fast, I know we do. But that is the difference between a non-English speaker and a native speaker. So let's hear them again. Here we go. I don't know. Wait a second. I would have liked to go. Do you see? Now all you have to do is listen, pause, repeat, and copy the rhythm. You can do this. Shadowing gives you the speed, the rhythm, and the confidence of a fluent speaker. It's a little trick, but it tricks everyone else into thinking you know way more than you do. Just 1 minute a day can make a huge difference. Listen to somebody saying something, repeat it, and get the rhythm that they've said. Now in the next video, I want to show you the confidence loop. It's the reason you already know way more English than you think you do, and the reason you can improve faster than ever. Now, a lot of my students, they all come to me, it doesn't matter what level they are, they all come to me and say I'm rubbish at English. It's not true. Nobody is rubbish at English. And in actual fact, our brains stock an awful lot more than we think we do. So watch the next video and I'll see you there.